Hello, tourist. This is Mario, your friendly Pinoy tourist guide. I'll demonstrate right now the best way to get a day's worth of sightseeing in Las Piñas. I'll list a minimum of 5 Las Piñas tourist attractions. Las Piñas translates to the pineapple in Spanish. According to the 2020 census, Las Piñas has more than 600,000 residents. Please feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below if you disagree with my top 5. I have been open to all suggestions. Here is my top 5. Attraction number 5. Las Piñas-Parañaque Wetlands. The wetlands is about 175 hectares. Mostly mangroves. Mudflats and beaches. The wetlands have 2 small islands, Long Island and Freedom Island. The island is visited by around 5,000 birds a day for feeding. There are around 54 different species of so often birds found there. A lot of bird watchers from all over the world come to check out the different species of birds. Attraction number 4. Las Piñas Botanical Garden. Do not miss this place if you enjoy flowers and plants. To enable people to grow their own plants, the Las Piñas local government is dispensing seedlings in this botanical garden. The garden has just undergone rehabilitation. It's a lively, tidy place to visit. Attraction number 3. Evia Vista Mall. What a stunning mall Evia Vista Mall is. The mall has beautiful facade. The trip to the mall is worthwhile if you enjoy shopping at malls. Attraction number 2. Sarao Jeepney Factory. In the Philippines, jeepneys are a common sight. Sarao is one of the biggest manufacturers of jeepneys in the Philippines. You need to visit this place so you can see how the jeepneys are being built. Attraction number 1. The Bamboo Organ and St. Joseph Catholic Church. Building on the bamboo organ began in 1816 and was completed in 1824. The organ has been recognized as a national cultural treasure of the Philippines. The organ has approximately 1,031 pipes. The International Bamboo Organ Festival takes place in February each year. The St. Joseph Catholic Church is where the organ is kept. There is also a museum in the church. The bamboo organ should be your top priority if you only have time to see one attraction in Las Piñas. I hope you enjoyed the tour. So that I can continue to create these videos, kindly like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks.